All it takes is one quick glance at the 2015 results in professional motocross and supercross to see that Yamaha's YZ250F is a powerhouse. Championships, race wins, and countless podiums have been the norm for Factory Yamaha riders Cooper Webb and Jeremy Martin. Since being revamped in 2014, the YZ250F has made steady progression, frequently topping the win columns and winning many comparison tests. For 2016, Yamaha has unveiled a new YZ250F that has received only minor changes. After all, at the end of the day, why change something that's working so well? Internally, the YZF has received a new lighter piston with a flat crown for improved combustion and enhanced pulling power. The oil jets under the piston are also new, for better lubrication and to promote cooling. The crankshaft has also been balanced to reduce vibration, while a new clutch boss and shift stopper arm are designed to smooth clutch engagement and shifting. Yamaha has also updated the ECU settings for 2015, to work better with the new piston and cranks. A goal, said Yamaha, to improve top-end power while also smoothing out the transition when the rider reaches the rev limiter.